Young readers and book lovers, have you heard? The Akada Children's Book Festival, Nigeria's first and largest children's literature festival, is back for its 7th edition on Saturday, October 25th, 2025 at UPBEAT Recreation Center, Lekki, Lagos. And the best part, it's absolutely free.
I can't wait to meet my favorite authors and read all the new books.
That's right. At the Akada Children's Book Festival, you'll dive into adventures written by indigenous Nigerian authors, discover brand new children's books, and celebrate stories that look and sound just like us. And the fun doesn't stop there. Get ready for author readings, book charts and story time, workshops for children and parents, relaxing sip and paint sessions, plus book giveaways, food and drinks. Mark your calendars. Saturday, October 25th, 2025 at UPBEAT Recreation Center, Lekki, Lagos. Don't miss the festival that makes reading an adventure for every child. The Akada Children's Book Festival. Free, fun, and the perfect way to spend a day with your family. See you there.